Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to convert assets over to the Polygon network from the Ethereum network so that you can get your assets ready to trade on Polygon-centric dexes. So let's get started. So I'm here on the media page announcing the new Dynoswap opening up on the Polygon network, and I wanted to kind of walk you through getting this set up in your Metamask wallet. So if we go over to the Dynoswap homepage here, in order to do any of this, we need to get it connected to the Polygon network in our Metamask wallet. And it's kind of cool. I'll sort of do it for you, basically. So if we look at our MetaMask wallet over here, you can see that I'm currently using the Binance Smart Chain. Normally the network that you would be using would be the Ethereum network when you're trading on places like Uniswap and that sort of thing. So we need to set up or configure a new network. And normally you would go down here to settings and then just go into networks and enter all of the settings manually. But this website does a pretty good job of doing that for you. So if we hit connect here and then choose MetaMask, this site is going to add the new network for us, right? So it's going to name it the Matic network. It's going to put in the URL and the chain ID and all of the rest of the settings. I'm going to go ahead and approve this. And then we'll go ahead and switch over to that network. And as you can see now, it has added the Matic network for me at the top here and switched me over, right? So I still have my Ethereum network and I still have my Binance Smart Chain network, but I'm going to be working from the Matic network for this site. Okay, now that we've got the wallet configured, we need to get some Matic in there, but it needs to be the right format of Matic, right? So I have some Matic. Okay, so on my Ledger-based wallet over in Ledger Live, I do have some Matic tokens, but these are ERC20-based Matic tokens. So I'm going to need to get those converted over to the Matic network, right? The native chain. So I'm going to use the Matic bridge. All right, so let's connect MetaMask to our ledger. This may not be the best way to do this, but I'm going to try. Because the Matic is on my ledger. So we're going to do a connect hardware wallet. We'll choose ledger. We'll hit continue. Looking for my ledger. Okay, there. Okay, now open Ledger Live. There's Ledger Live. I'm going to need my password. All right. Okay, I'm going to open the socket. All right, that's done. Now I just move this out of the way. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to click this. Don't need that. We'll hit unlock. Okay, there I have access to that. Okay, now let's go back over here. Let's open up Bridge. So I'm in the Ethereum app. I just want to make sure that when I click this bridge, let's go to the bridge. Okay, now I'm going to connect to MetaMask. And yes, I confirm that I want to use this Ledger wallet. I'll hit next. Hit connect. Right, and then I'm going to sign the transaction. And there, on my ledger, it wants me to sign again. So I'll go over here to sign message, hit both buttons. It should be ready, and we're in. Okay. Alrighty. So I had tried this earlier, and I had failed to actually. I had failed to sign the message on my ledger, and it just sort of hung there. Okay, so now that I've done that, let's see if I can. Okay. All right. So we want to Matic, right? We would like to switch our Matic over to Polygon, right? So we have 1,000 Matic. Let's do 500 and take that over to the other to convert, right? And so we want to switch that. Let's try transfer here. Okay, we're moving funds from Ethereum to Polygon. We'll hit continue. Okay, there's going to be some gas and some fees. Let's hit continue. All right, and that's what I want to do. I want to move 500 Matic from the Ethereum network over to the Poly network. I'm assuming I'm going to need to do something on... Okay, so there we go in Metamask, and it looks like I need to sign it on my device, which I will do. Over here, accept. There. Okay. Boom. We did it. I don't know if there's any way to do this directly from a Coinbase account. It didn't look like it. It looked like you had to have already had the Matic in a wallet in order to perform this transfer, right? This conversion. Okay, I just got a confirmation down there from Metamask that the transaction is confirmed. Let's see what the Polygon bridge tells me. Right? Okay, boom. Nice. I need to confirm one more step to complete the deposit transaction. So we'll continue. Another fee, it looks like. I don't know, or that was one of the estimated fees. We'll hit continue. Okay, I'm going to sign with MetaMask one more time. And, failed. Oh, I didn't have contract data. All right. All right, so contract data, I need to go over here to settings. I'm going to hit both buttons, and it says contract data is not allowed. I'm going to hit both buttons again and make it allowed. All right, and then I'll go over here to back, and now I'm back at the top of the Ethereum app, right? Let's try that again. Let's hit confirm, continue. All right, let's sign with MetaMask. And I need to confirm on the device. All right, there we go. I'm going to navigate over to accept and send. I'll hit both buttons. And there we go. All right, that's transaction is in progress. All right, I'll go ahead and turn this camera off. I'm just going to put my ledger down. It's like holding it up with my hand. All right, so I'll just hang out and wait for this to complete. Okay, and I see a confirmed transaction from MetaMask down there behind me. So let's see what happens. I'm going to keep an eye on my device if it wants me to do anything else. You never know. Oh, it looks great. Okay. Looks like we got it. All right, so now we've completed the confirmation of the conversion, transfer, whatever you want to call it. And now it's going to take a few minutes for it to actually arrive over on the Poly network, the Polygon network. All right, and then once we've done that, we'll have some tokens in our Polygon configured wallet on the Polygon chain in order to trade a little bit in Dino. All right, and there we go. We got the transaction was completed. All right, so let's go check our MetaMask wallet. Good stuff. We can even check this on Etherscan. We got a successful completion there. And then let's switch back over to our Matic mainnet and see what we got here. Boom, there we go, 500 Matic. Now let's go back over to Dynoswap and see what we can do here. All right, so we've got that connection to the wallet. Let's check the exchange here. And let's connect to our MetaMask wallet. So this Ledger 1 wallet, that, connect. All right? Okay, there. So you can see there that we've got that Matic balance. Now we can trade for other tokens on this platform. All right, so let's try Wrapped Matic. Right, let's do Wrapped Matic. Okay, and let's do 250. Right, let's go ahead and wrap it up. Confirm that. And we'll probably need to confirm this on our device. If that's going to work, let's pray. All right, let's go hit confirm here. And then we go review transaction, Matic 250. Okay, accept and send. Hit OK there. Let's see what happens. Looks like I got a confirmed transaction there. And I've got the wrapped ETH now. All right. I'm sorry, I've got the wrapped Matic now. All right, so I'm going to shift gears a little bit here. I'm going to move some of this Matic that I've converted into a standalone wallet that's not tied to a ledger, because I prefer to keep things simple so that when I do a trade or a transaction or stake or farm or anything like that, that I don't have to confirm on the ledger. It's slightly less secure, but a little less complicated. I don't trust the ledger to always understand what's going on with these Polygon contracts. I could be wrong, but I prefer to use standalone Metamask wallet when I'm doing these types of farming and staking, so I don't have to confirm every transaction on the ledger. So, but I will need to confirm the transfer on the ledger. So as you can see here, I've got a different Metamask wallet, and I'm on the Ethereum network here. And what I want to do is I just want to move. I've already created the network, right? So we can switch over to the Matic mainnet on this wallet. And as you can see, there's no Matic in this wallet. But I want to fund this wallet with some Matic. And then we'll go into the Dynoswap in a bit and do those trades, right? But I'm just going to try to keep things simple by moving this Matic into a non-ledger connected MetaMask wallet. All right, so I'm just going to click here to get that address. I'll switch back over to that ledger-based wallet, which is here. And as you can see, there's still some Matic in here. So we'll leave some in this wallet. Let's go ahead and send 400 over to that standalone wallet. I still have the address in my clipboard. All right, so we'll just go over to MetaMask. All right, and so we're on the Matic network. All right, so let's do a send of the Matic to this address. Right, and we'll do 400. Okay. And then we'll click next. All right, and we're sending it to that other wallet. So basically freeing it up from the ledger. Every time I have to confirm on the ledger, I get a little nervous. I don't know why. But I've had people that have sent me tech questions and they're saying things like, oh, I tried to stake and then the ledger rejected it, or the ledger, I wasn't able to sign the transaction with my ledger, stuff like that. All right, but it looks like I got that done. All right, so now we can switch back over to this wallet, new BSC. I can connect it actually to the Dynoswap, and there I'm done, right? So now I've got 400 Matic in a non-ledger-based MetaMask wallet, so I don't have to deal with this ledger at the moment. All right, so I'll just go ahead and turn that off. For those of you who want to follow along with the ledger-based wallet, it should work for you, but like I said, I don't always trust it to do the complicated transactions like the staking and the farming and those sort of things. I don't want the transaction to bomb because something didn't work on my Ledger device, right? All right, so here we go. We've got this standalone wallet. We've got some Matic in it. I'd also like to put some US dollar coin in here. All right, so let's go ahead and move this. I can't decide whether I want to do this live or not, but that's okay. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and switch over here, right? And I am currently in this wallet on the Matic network. Right? As you can see, I have some Matic in here, and that's it. Actually, what we want to do, I'm going to use the Ethereum network for this, right? Because my US dollar coin is here, right? So we're going to connect to Metamask. We're going to sign. All right, and there we go. All right, so I already have the plasma. I already have the Matic in here, right? Oh, that's right. I need to. Actually, I want to put a little bit of Ethereum, more Ethereum in here just in case. 39 is probably going to be enough, but I want to make sure. I don't want the transaction to hang because I don't have enough Ethereum in my wallet, right? So I'll copy this into my clipboard and I'll go over to Ledger. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this now. I don't need it anymore. All right, so I'm going to send some of this Ledger, I'm going to send some of this ETH over to the wallet. Let's see, I'm going to send it to that address. And I probably only need about $200 worth of Ethereum, just to be on the safe side, 0.1 Ethereum. In fact, why don't we just do 0.1 Ethereum? Keep it simple. 0.1 Ethereum. That should be enough. All right, I'll hit continue here and continue here. And then I will need to sign this on my device. Review this, send it over. All right, there we go. I'm basically doing this just so to fund my Ethereum wallet with some Ethereum for this conversion of the US dollar coin. All right, I've done that, right? We can finally get rid of this. All right, we'll hit that. And we should see the Ethereum go out here in a minute. The 0.1 Ethereum, there we go. All right, and then over here, we should see some Ethereum coming in very shortly. So that little extra Ethereum is in the wallet now. Probably a little overkill on my part, but I always want to make sure that there's plenty of Ethereum for any transaction fees or anything like that, right? We don't want to get caught short of Ethereum when we're dealing with money, right? All right, so I've got some US dollar coin in here. I would like to switch it over to the Polygon network, right? So I'm on the Polygon transfer. I've got my wallet connected on the Ethereum end. So I'm going to click this button here, move funds from Ethereum to Polygon. All right, and we're just going to drop this down and go over here to US dollar coin. Let's just convert 100 just to start off, just to be on the safe side. Transfer. Okay, we're going to move funds from Ethereum to Polygon. Should take about 7 to 8 minutes. We'll hit continue. Of course, there's going to be some charges here. We'll hit continue again. All right, 100 US dollar coin. We'll hit continue. And we'll sign this with our Metamask wallet. Notice there's a little ETH charge here too. All right, that's why I put a little extra ETH in this wallet. Notice I didn't have to worry about my Ledger device this time. Like I said, it is a little less secure because when you're dealing with Ledger-based wallets, then your private keys are separate. But there is that layer of complexity that can cause issues, right? So I'm keeping it simple by moving to just a standalone Ethereum-based by just moving to a standalone MetaMask wallet. All right, I got a confirmation on the approval. It looks like I need to confirm the deposit. We'll hit continue. Another fee there, which I believe was already estimated when we got started with this. There's another $6.26 gas fee for that. Fees are high on the Ethereum network. That's why we're using Polygon. That's why we're switching over to the Polygon. But you never want to transfer huge sums unless you've done a small test transaction to make sure that it's going to arrive on the other side safely. Okay, the confirmation went through, and now I'm just basically waiting for the completion of the transfer or conversion from Ethereum to Polygon. All right. And once I've seen that with my own eyes and confirmed it, I will go ahead and send more of my US dollar coin over to the Polygon network. Okay, and so you can see my transfer has completed successfully. Let's go over and check it out in my wallet. Actually, we can go back to this, right? And then we should see a US dollar coin in here. Let's just refresh. Yeah, there it is, 100 US dollar coin in the wallet. You can check it over in MetaMask as well. All right, so we want to switch over to the Matic Mainnet. We go to Assets, and we don't see the US dollar coin yet, so we need to figure out what the contract address is on the Matic network. I believe there's a Matic Explorer. I believe this guy here. All right, so let's go ahead and search for US dollar coin for Matic. This is our Polygon network Explorer, right? So there's our contract address for US dollar coin. So we'll copy that into our clipboard. Let's go back over to MetaMask. Notice we're in the Matic network now. We're going to add token, and we'll paste in that contract address for US dollar coin. We'll hit next, and there they are, those 100. We'll click add token, and there now we can see that we've got Matic and we've got US dollar coin in this wallet now. All right, so basically I'm just I'll go ahead and end the video here. I'm of course going to transfer some more US dollar coin in, but I just wanted to get you started getting your coins in a Matic Mainnet wallet so that you could operate on the Polygon network. I should also mention that I've got a article here which I'll put in the description down below, listing the top 5 Polygon dexes. So once you get this MetaMask wallet set up, either with or without a Ledger connected account, you'll be able to use these Polygon dexes. So I hope this video was useful. I sort of changed directions as I was going. I was going to go straight for the throat, but I decided to just end it with a conversion of Polygon network. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.